So guys, this is the famous Hosea Lane. It's the lane which got a lot of graffiti everywhere. Wow, that's magic. Hi guys, good afternoon, welcome back to our channel. So it is Sunday and we are set to go out. As you can see, apologies for all the mess on the floor, but we are all ready to go out. Paris is there and Tita Mimi is there. So yeah, we're going to the city today guys to buy some presents for the family and also to just walk around and look at things there, because for sure there'll be beautiful things in the city now that it's only 3 days till Christmas. So yeah, we'll take you with us guys, so we'll see you soon when we get there.
Paris, what's this? The wheel. The what? The wheel?
The
What's
wheel
this?
on the bus.
Wheel. Paris, what's this? Honey, what's this one? What's this? The door.
Door. Do you want to get in? Should I get in? So guys, it took forever to find a parking. Like seriously, I was getting so frustrated guys that I told Daddy, let's just go home. The city is crazy guys, the parking are all full. Well, luckily after maybe an hour we find a parking just in Russell Street. Yeah, so we're here now. That is just Gary in Paris, and we're on our way to the National Gallery of Victoria guys, because yeah, Daddy wants to get something from there. But yeah, let's cross the road. If you want guys, there's Louis Vuitton there. Oh, there's Gucci on this side. There's Versace there. And there's Chanel. I think Chanel is just down the road there. So that's the positive side of it. Ooh, have a look guys. Ooh, bongo. Gucci. But yeah, finding a parking was a hard work guys. It seriously gave me stress.
Ulit na gud siya guys.
Yeah. Apoy kay guys, uy, tuyok mo, may tag-parking. Wala diha. That's Remembrance Square. And this is Flinders Street. So guys, this is the famous Hosea Lane. It's the lane which got a lot of graffiti everywhere. Hello honey. Something's going on there guys. We're testing maybe. What's that, honey? What's that?
What's that? Is it the name? Come down.
Someone's not ready.
In caramel.
It's coming in.
Thank you.
Not ready yet. But we have peanuts and macadamia.
I like almonds actually.
Yeah, me too. Today is the best seller.
What are you ordering, ma'am? No. Nothing. No more. Come on, let's go buy ice. So I just ordered oatmeal cookie and we're now waiting for our ice drink. The ice latte for daddy. Uy, wag pa na ba napakita na unsa. And ice chocolate for me and myself. Sa maya-maya ti. National Gallery of Victoria. Huh? So much coins under the water. And look at that water. It's so cool. You like it, honey? Wow, that's magic.
Parcel?
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Ligid-ligid man si... Yes. Mak, picture na kamawa ka nang nakasalulit pa. Ako yun.
Paris? Where?
Hello, what's this, Nak? Have a look. Ooh.
It's a top.
What is that? This thing is massive, guys.
Invisible door. So this is my lunch room, invisible TV and sound box, everything. This is my
Bedroom.
bedroom. Yes, and the guest room is here. See, I have a guest room. Look at my guest room.
Oh my god.
Look at guest. See it? More.
It's amazing.
Lots of people coming.
I don't know what it is.
The house is so big.
Nay, hindi pa sa buti asti ko. Pamakabalita.
Well, he was Charles I's nephew, the soldiers.
What was the family?
I dance in the morning. Reenact niya. Wala gid mong nang mak. Video ka to na, video. video. Honey! Hello! Prenup mo naman ako.
Prenup na.
Sagbat. Ow! See, Paris wants to get into the water. You know what's very annoying, guys? Is that, yeah, I know we're here to actually have fun, but my eyes are starting to bugger me so much. It is very sore, like when the wind hits it, and also the sun is up, and you know, it's just very sore. I think I need to freaking throw this contact lens away now because it's hurting my eye, and I can't take it off, guys, because if I do that, then I won't be able to see the road when I drive home. So I'm just gonna deal with it for now. But yeah, you may notice that I look like I'm crying, but I'm not crying, guys. It's just my eyes are very sensitive. And yeah, we'll just keep going. I'm not sure where we're going next. I'm not sure. I think Kuya wants to go to the gardens. See you guys? Yeah, guys, no.
Come on. Come on.
Tara, Paris, kami na dua. Whoa!
Pick her up, mommy.
You think I'm strong, girl? Whoa!
Don't you go for the water. Yucky pie. Very yucky pie. Yeah, you can look at it, but don't touch it. Paris. Paris.
Come on now. Row your boat. Honey, row your boat.
Row your boat gently down the stream. I just want to get her away from the water first. Row your boat gently down the stream. Come on. Come on.
This is the shrine. Come on. Shrine. Shrine. Funny. Guys, klaro na kayo kapoy na. Di nagkasang tail. Oh, so tiring. It's beautiful. See, there's lots of people out there. It's a bit windy and cool, but the sun helps a lot. Naguna nang prom.
Well, once. Keep going.
Wow.
Come on.
Guys, I'm very tired. Like we've been walking the whole afternoon, but we're here now. We're gonna find, well, we're gonna get something to eat. We're in Vietnamese street food. So yeah, there's a table there. I'm so tired, guys, seriously. But yeah, let's go order something to eat. Yum. Bon appetit. Hi guys, good evening. Just an update. It is 8:30 at night now, guys. We just got home. I just parked outside the house, guys, and Paris is now down. That's it. I think she's done for the day, guys. We're going to take her to bed when we get in, but that's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. It's been a tiring day. We've been walking around all day, but yeah, also tomorrow we are going out of town and I'll be vlogging as well, so you will see, you know, what we're up to and all, so you know, stay tuned for that. And then yeah, I hope to see you all in the next one. Please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and also hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family, guys. I would appreciate that so much. I'll see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can, be careful. Bye.